Hello, Gail. My name is Sergio with Kansas City Business Operations. In the screencast, I spoke with your front office, and I believe it was Reagan, and we agreed that I'm going to show you three things that you can do today to help bring more customers to your business, messengers, lawn, and landscape. Now, the first question is usually along the lines of why you should do this. Well, Gail, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. Sometimes the only hesitation that they have with hiring someone is that they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. So I have found by giving people an easy attack plan of things that they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in local owners still raising their hands and saying, I like you, Sergio, can you please do this for me? So if by the end of the video you like what you heard, you can see the skills out to help your business grow and land more customers, you can shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if you simply want to take this free attack plan and try it out yourself, that works for me too. Now before you try it yourself, let me show you three things that will set your company above your local competition. And the first thing I like to go over is your content. So in order for a business to be fully optimized with Google, your landing page, aka homepage, needs at least 1,500 words to fill the keywords. Now I found your site has about 336 words currently. So in comparison with your competitor, we'll be going with Greenleaf Garden Services. I found they have about 788 words filled with keyword-rich content. Now this is still very beatable. This shows how rich keyword content is such a powerhouse of authority for Google. Every month, people are searching for these certain keywords a number of times, which you miss out on not being number one. So as you can see, whenever I pull up the school Ahrefs, it shows what your site is actually ranking for. Now, we're going to be going over organic keywords, but your site's dense with 158 backlinks, 53 referring domains, and 217 organic keywords. Now, you're doing pretty well for yourself, but there's always things that you can improve. So Messenger's Lawn, so just so you know, you're ranking for Messenger's Lawn, and you have a 40 volume coming in from this keyword, and it's only a 0 to rank, so you got the first position. That's bringing in 13 traffic out of the 40 volume. So say you're in the third position for this one, watering newly planted trees or shrubs. You're getting less traffic than you would be if you were in the first position. Now it's probably because this is a 6 KD, and KDs rank harder from 0 to 100, 0 being easiest. So now to know a little bit about what goes into organic keywords and how it helps your content. This is your competitors. Now he has 340 backlinks, 46 referring domains, and 223 organic keywords. So looking at his keywords, you can see landscaping, Overland Park, Greenleaf Lawn Service, and Garden Leaf Garden Services is actually one he's ranking number one for. Now, he could be doing a lot better than he is as well. But 80 volume for landscaping Overland Park, 5 KD, pretty hard to rank. And traffic is a 9 because he's in the fourth position. So if he's in the first, he'd begin at probably at least 27 is my guess. Price per month as well. So moving on to the next optimization section is the second most important thing I want to talk about. And we call this thing Google Map Pack Maps. So when I go over to Google and I type in Stillwell Landscaping, you see you got Messenger's Lawn, which is you got Doctor's Lawn and Integrity Lawn. But since you're in the first position, you're not in the first position in the organic, but we'll get to that. So this is the Google Map Pack, right? You have your name, address, and phone number throughout each tab for each business. So aka maps. And of course, getting rankings in Google, our rankings, ratings in Google will also help you get further up on the totem pole. But to keep your position, you want to keep obtaining citations. So citations are what these are. These are directories. So each citation, aka NAPS, is submitted word for word into directories such as Yellow Book, White Book, City Star, so on and so on. Even Facebook has an area to where you can submit a citation. And you can see you have about 48 citation sources, but not all of which will be listed down below because some of those are not credible for Google to obtain as a citation yet. Some of these take time, but usually the better ones are ones that are worthwhile taking time. Now, the third thing I have to go over with you is another important aspect of Google. We call this thing that gives your site authority, link juice. So you can see when I do a search for the Stillwell Landscaping, I go to organic listings. You saw that you were first in Google Map Pack, but Greenleaf KC is actually first for organic listing. And we also got custom lawn. We also got landscaping, Overland Parks, Kansas. And we got you. So If you want to be further up on the totem pole, this is where you want to be. And the competition, you have to beat out the competition in every aspect. So this link juice simply works like this. Site A is pointing to site B, therefore site A is acting like link juice, which gives site B more authority in Google's eyes. So almost like a popularity contest. Now, there's more to it than just that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative sites that can back you. Now, this is important. So for an example, if you have relative site, say Greenleaf KC, which you probably won't, but if you have this relative site linking back to you, it'd be a lot more effective than like a pizza linking back to you because you don't sling pizza for a living. Now I'll pull up this tool Ahrefs again. I'm going to go over to your backlinks. Now, if you want to use this tool, I pay about $100 a month, and it's great for checking out any link juice that sites may have to offer. So you have a little bit of link juice looking down, and you can see every site that your link is coming through and going from and to. So looking at your competitor, you can see he has about 60 groups of links. So some of these can be more than one, like this one. There's 4 links. Yep. And you can take every single one and keep going down, take every single one, make them your own. Now, some of these are better than the others. Like DRs, of course, you want a higher DR from each backlink. It'll rank you faster as well. So, once again, we went over content, citations, and link juice. So for your content, you want at least 1,500 words filled with keywords for your homepage. Any service page you want to offer, or about us, or any other service page, location page, you want at least 1,000 words, if not at least 700. So citations, you want at least 100 to 200 more of these so you can get in the first position and keep adding them as well so you can maintain that first position and no one comes up beneath you and takes your spot. And for your link juice, you need more relevant sites pointing you guys to show Google your authority. So if that means taking all these guys' backlinks as well, make them your own, that's what you gotta do. So if you implement these strategies today, you can be #1 across Google. And I bet you're wondering what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provide you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route, want to save yourself the time, give me a call at 816-654-5822. And once again, my name is Sergio, and my number is 816-654-5822. I look forward to hearing from you, Gail, and you have a good one.